Uh, well, with the electrical system totally screwed up on the Prelude, the starting procedure has gotten a little bit longer than it used to be. There's a couple more steps. So step one, you open the passenger door, and then you pop the trunk. You gotta get the trunk popped there. Step two, in the trunk, you reach in and close the 100 amp fuse so that the car has power. Step three, you come around to the driver's door. That's when you make sure she's out of gear.
Very important step.
Yeah, very important step. And then you plug in the key. Now, you want to make sure you get it into run position, not just accessory. And then step four, come over here. And you pop open your fuse box, you see.
That's a lot of wires.
You grab your starter cable.
Starter cable.
Yeah, sure. And then you just give her a chooch. And now you wrap up your starting cable and you put it back in its custom-made holder. And you're good to go. No big deal.